Here in the video, we are going to talk about Discord error code 2012. The error reads, "Stream failed to start. Having issues with your stream? Let us try to help." Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar, and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when users try to start a stream, but the stream fails to load and then stops with this message. According to our research, the error is likely caused by issues with your network, VPN, app cache, or Discord's hardware acceleration settings. Now let's come to troubleshoots for the error. The first thing we suggest is to restart your device and try again. Once restarted, check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, make sure you are not using any VPN. If you are, disable it and check for the error again. If the error still persists, then try enabling hardware acceleration in Discord settings and check for the error. If the error still continues, then power cycle your network. Simply shut down your router, then disconnect it from the power source. Then wait for a few minutes and then restart it. Once done, check if the error still comes. If the error still doesn't resolve, then try connecting over a different Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot and check if this resolves the error. If you still get the error, then try changing the voice channel region closest to you and see if this helps with the error. At last, if the error still persists, press Windows plus R, then type %appdata% and hit enter. In the window that opens, look for the Discord folder and delete it. Then log in to Discord again and check for the error. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.